Hi guys, I'm Kerry from kerrystillett.com. Today I've got a tutorial for you on how to forward your domain email to Gmail. Something I get asked quite a lot is how do I forward my domain email to my Gmail account? Now this is especially good if you don't want to have lots of different accounts that you've got to keep checking. You can set this up for Outlook and Yahoo. I particularly use Gmail, so that's what this tutorial is going to be about. And it just keeps everything in one place, allows you to notice the emails coming in, have your alerts set up, and just gives you a lot cleaner way of working. So first of all, you want to go onto your web hosting. I use Green Geek, so this is what mine looks like, and then locate your cPanel. Click in there. Then you've got your email accounts. On my previous video, I set up a particular email account. So that was abc at ministryoffreedomreview.io. So now you just need to go into the forwarders. The domains, just locate your domain and then you'll add a forwarder. The address to forward, so that was my abc at ministryoffreedomreview.io. Forward to email address, that's going to go to my Gmail, so pop that in there, and then add forwarder. So it says an email sent to abc at ministryoffreedomreview.io will be copied to kerrystillett@gmail.com. And that's basically all that happens now. Everything will forward straight over to my Gmail account. Now there is another way which you might want to add to be able to reply from your Gmail account rather than having to come back to your personal email account every time. And I'll cover that on my next tutorial. So I hope you've got some value from this today. If you've got any queries or questions, drop them in the box below. Please give it a thumbs up if you've enjoyed the video and subscribe for any past and future video recordings. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.